Everybody, it's Glenn.
And Craig Warrack.
Back in this video by popular demand to circle like cyber vultures around the rotting carcass of Toy Fair 2013.
And for your convenience, we're breaking our insight up into bite-sized episodes uploaded over the next few days. And as an entree, we're serving Marvel Legends 6-inch figures.
Kicking it off with ever-decreasing builder figures, we have the Rocket Raccoon wave. Doesn't quite have the same ring as Apocalypse wave or Onslaught wave. Fingers crossed that we're not on a slippery slope towards Miss Lion wave.
For long-time fans, no doubt the headliner of the wave is going to be Jean Grey, but it's like waiting for buses. Nothing for ages, and then 3 all at once. We have Jim Lee Jean Grey, White Phoenix Jean Grey, and Age of Apocalypse, that's Potato Sack Jean Grey. And you just know an alternate reality has gone sour when this passes as fashion.
Filling out the wave, we have Black Panther, whose plain black body will be a customiser's dream. Scarlet Iron Fist, oops, no, it's Scarlet Spider. Classic Hawkeye and Secret Avengers Hawkeye. Quite the handsome fellow, not short of a date on Saturday night, I'm sure. And then Bulldozer, who looks like he's the latest victim of Jigsaw and might have to carve away at his own eye socket with a knife to escape the device he finds himself trapped in.
And finally, completing the wrecking crew with one fell swoop of his crowbar, it's the Wrecker, allowing customizers worldwide to complete that much requested custom figure, Banana Man. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which figures you're most looking forward to.
And don't forget to rate, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for tomorrow when we'll be tucking into Iron Man Legends. Bye.